Hi, this is David Grunner, Chair of the English Department at Regis High School. The overarching purpose of our department is to aid in the transformation of our students into critical and charitable readers, clear and thoughtful writers, and eloquent and confident speakers. By helping to nurture and develop our students' empathetic imaginations, we also envision the work we do as central to Regis's mission of forming young Catholic men of sound hearts and minds. Upon completing his 4-year course of study in English, a Regian will demonstrably cultivate a lifetime habit of reading, express himself and his ideas in effective prose, converse with others about literature in a generous and imaginative manner, and also allow his reading and discussion of literature to shape his conscience. In his first year of English study, a Regian will engage in a course that establishes the foundation of mature reading and writing. By looking at modes of storytelling from across geographical and historical perspectives, students will begin to ask questions about why we tell stories, how we tell them, and what the stories we tell reveal about their cultural contexts. In his second year, a Regian will dedicate his study of English to American literature. Texts will help students reflect on thematic aspects of the American experience. In his junior year, a Regian will take a course focused on writing about the self and literature. In seeking to form sensitive and discerning readers who ask original questions of literature, and deliberate and careful writers who take responsibility for the writing process and take pride in their finished work, students will engage with the literary arts at their most sophisticated level. Finally, in his senior year, a Regian is invited to choose from a wide array of English electives. In recent years, these electives have ranged from James Baldwin to the art of the personal essay, to writing social justice and exploring dystopian literature. Thank you very much for taking a look at our department. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Be well.